Today I want to talk to you about Dayara Bugyal and something that has been bothering me for a very long time. And I find it actually very funny because these facts about Dayara Bugyal is now spreading like a rumor. That Dayara Bugyal is a winter trek. And I want to tell you Dayara Bugyal is a good winter trek, but Dayara Bugyal is at its best in summer. I want to share a story with you. It goes back to many years ago, maybe 12, 13 years ago, when I first did Dayara Bugyal. It was around the first week of June. At that time, Dayara Bugyal, nobody knew much about it. But I remember some things even then, even though I have done Dayara Bugyal many times after that, of the impact that Bugyal had on me when I first stepped on it. Now, you must understand that Dayara Bugyal is named because of the Bugyals, because of the meadows. And people come from all over the world just to see these meadows. And these are perhaps one of the most beautiful meadows that you will see in our country. Not just meadows, but high altitude meadows. And when I stepped on Dayara Bugyal for the very first time, I remember it was evening. It was maybe 4:30 in the evening, and I had that golden light on the green grass, and it was just undulating everywhere, all through the meadows. I remember walking for hours because I was in summer and sun sets only about 7:38 in the evening, and until then I had the sun with me. And from 4 in the evening till 8 in the evening, I went up and down the entire meadows, and I was so captivated by the beauty of these meadows because it had these undulating hills, it had this carpet of grass, and at one moment I just took off my shoes and I started walking on the bare grass. I climbed hillocks which were there surrounding the edges of these meadows. I looked far and wide and I had a 360-degree views with Bandarpuch on my left, just looming over the meadows. And I thought to myself at that time, and it was many years ago, that if Indian trekkers are not seeing these meadows, then I think they have not done enough trekking. It is that beautiful, the Dayara meadows. And that's what I wanted to talk to you about, that yes, it is a good winter trek, but it is a far better summer trek, and you must not miss out on this.